This is continuation of the G4 Kirby vacuum cleaner. I'm working on the transmission. The finger I was talking about in the last video is here. You can see where it's worn on this side. It engages on the axle right here in this groove. It pushes this collar back and forth. You can see the collar engaging in this fan gear right here. This is a T15 Torx is what you want to use on this Kirby. The drive belt is on it. You have 3 mounting screws that attach it to the base of the vacuum cleaner. And I'm going to do a follow-up video because I don't think I can do this with one hand. As you see, this fork has to engage with this linkage that goes to your handle. I have another piece of linkage here I've got to mess with too while I put that transmission back in there. So I'll just do a follow-up video of when the transmission is installed. Thanks for watching.